Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I want to do a little bit of an unboxing, and I will be unboxing goods from a very famous store in Japan called Francfranc, and it has been one of my favorite stores. So yeah, I just want to show you some of the things that caught my eye and that I actually bought in Francfranc. So stay tuned to the video. This is the bag from Francfranc. It's really cute. It's a really cute bag. And I'm going to show you a few things. First up is the towel. This is a cheetah print towel, and it's kind of short, but it's really nice because it has detail and it's actually really cute. Everything was 50% off, so it was a really good deal. So I got 2 of these towels. And next, I'm going to show you a throw. This one. It's really cute, and it has a little fringe right here. Yeah, this throw was 3,500 yen, but like I said before, they were all 50% off. So some things were 30% off and then an additional 50% off. But for the most part, most of the things that I got, they were 50% off. It is really soft and nice. I really like this. I got some cleansing pads for your makeup brushes. So if you like makeup, then yeah. For example, this one. It's really cute. It shapes like a cupcake. And I like cake. But it's really nice. So I got the cupcake one, and I got the pineapple. And I also got a shell. Yeah, so it's really cool, guys. I got like a lot of these because they were inexpensive, and like 500 yen, yeah, not bad at all. Then I got this comforter. Yes, it's the Walnut comforter case, and it's a single. It's really cute because it has frills here, so you can actually put your futon inside this comforter and sleep comfortably. Yes, I got this one because of the color. I like blue. Blue is my favorite color, and I think I'm gonna really love sleeping on this. Yeah. Next is a towel, another towel, but this one is like a regular size towel with lace detail. Oh my goodness, like lace. Yes, I was really loving this. The first time I saw it, I was like, yes, I have to buy this. Really nice. And next item is dispenser. Yeah, you can put body soap in it. Yes, and yeah. Alright, so the next item is going to be some body sponge, because I like body sponges. I had like some natural body sponge that I bought on Amazon, but now these ones are from Francfranc. So this is the one that's shaped like a shell. I love shells. And this one is the flamingo. Yeah, awesome. And they were really reasonable as well, and 50% off. Now I pulled this one out because I wanted to do something with it, but I can't find the wrapper. But this is one of those paper that you can actually use to make a background for anything. It can actually be like a tablecloth or anything like that, but it's polka dot, so I really had to get this one. It's really nice paper, and it was only 250 yen with 50% off, so it's lower. Oh, I got a pen. Yes, I got a pen. Kiss Tokyo is the brand, and I'm using this pen for like about 2 days now. Yeah, and I really like it. Next, some cushion covers. This one is sequins. I really like the sequins. Gorgeous. And I got 2 of these because I know I might not see them again. So I got 2 of these. And of course the color is blue again with bronze underneath. Really nice. And I also got one that I absolutely love that I started using because it's really nice. And it's this one. And on the back, next I'm gonna show you just a few more items. For the first time I was tempted to buy teacups, so I got a teacup. It's in this wrapper here, and here it is. It has a hashtag. I was like, oh my goodness, I had to get in. And of course it says coffee addict, coffee shots. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. I should say hashtag coffee addict, hashtag coffee shots, hashtag coffee of the day. So this is actually really super cute, and I definitely plan to use it. I even love the color and the hashtag. That's what made me got this one, so I'm really looking forward to using it, guys. Like, yeah. Now I got another teacup, this one. Yeah, it comes in a really nice canister type box. Yeah, and it does say Franc Franc on the front. Yeah. And like on the outer part there are some lippies. So this, yeah, also has lippies on it. So it's kind of really cute, and yeah, you can use it. It's really super nice. Yeah. You can like open it like this, like so, close it like that. It's like, And if you want to wash it, of course you can take off this part. Yeah, it opens up. I think I'm gonna enjoy drinking tea all year this year. No doubt about that. Now, I did get another tea bottle. I think I'm going kind of a little bit crazy over tea, because I do plan on brewing some of my natural teas that I brought up from Jamaica, and yes, I will definitely be drinking from these cups. And I think I'm gonna be using this one in particular because it is kind of special. It is kind of special, and by special I mean it has like a little strainer in this part right here, and you can actually put your herbs or your tea bags down here, and then you fill it with water and it will just brew by itself. So yeah, that's why I got this one. I really like it. It's called Vitamin Tonic. Okay, that's the brand, but Franc Franc carries like some brands too, so I guess this one was one of those brands that they decided to carry this winter, and yeah, I really like it. Now I think I only have like 2 more items, so this is the other one. Yes, this is a room fragrance, Olivia Tea Time Jasmine and Green Tea, and it will help you to relax because the smell of tea will be all over your room, and yeah guys, it will help you to relax. So this one is jasmine and green tea. I love jasmine, and I'm still trying to get used to green tea, so that's why I bought this mix, because I think it will be really, really nice. Yeah, Japan has a way with packaging, and they will make you want to buy everything because of the packages, but this one will make your room smell so good. And the final thing is going to be another room fragrance. Now this one, I got it because I tested it at the store, and it smells amazing, like really, really amazing. It's like hints of peaches, sweet pea bouquet. It's like really, really nice. So it says on the box here, beautiful flower diffuser, like a real bouquet, and they're not lying. It's like a real bouquet, and the fragrance smells even more real, and it lasts for a longer time. So yeah, it's an original room fragrance by Franc Franc, and this one was 3,800, but they had a 30% off first, and then they had a 50% off. So it was a really good bargain, guys. And yeah, if you are looking for room fragrances and so on, Franc Franc is like the place to go, because they definitely have really nice fragrances. Really, really nice one. I have one here that I'm using right now. I'm gonna just show it to you guys. Okay, here it is, and it's called Fruity Rose. This one is already opened, and I have this one in my room for about 2 weeks now, and it smells really good in here. Good. It smells good in her. It smells good in here. Yes. Yeah, it smells good in here, guys. So I really, really like it. Yeah, I love the smell. And like, I'm always like, okay. It smells good. I think you guys get the point. It smells really good. I'll put this bag. And yeah, that's what I got from Franc Franc this winter. And Franc Franc had their winter sale, and I think right now they're trying to get stock in so that they can open for spring. But I was really happy when I went there in winter, and I actually got a lot of stuff. These things actually cost, let's see how much they cost. I have my receipts right here. So one receipt was like 6,155 yen. It's all in Japanese. And then there's another one for 1,800 and another one for 2,400 and something and change. So in total though, everything came to like $150, and that was really good, because off season, like when it's not a sale season, and these things are super pricey. I went crazy in the store, but I got a lot of stuff at very low prices. Like, it was a great deal, super deal. And I'm just gonna put like the link to the Franc Franc that I go to in the description below. Maybe if it's close by you, you can check it out. Yeah, well, thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and until next time, bye.